Hey guys, welcome back, and in this latest video I'm going to show you that how to mute the stories of a specific account on Instagram. You're tired of watching someone's stories and you want to mute them. I'm going to show you how to do that. So what you all have to do is just make sure you have liked this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So first of all, open up your Instagram app and tap on this messenger icon on the top right and go for the chat to whom you want to mute the stories. Just open it and tap on its username on the top and tap on following. So here you can see a mute option. Just simply tap on it, and here you can simply mute the post or stories by toggling on this option like this. And if you also want to mute the post, just simply toggle on this option too. So that's how you can easily mute the stories of a specific account on Instagram. So now you have changed your mind, you want to unmute them, and we'll show you how to unmute them. Just simply come to your profile section and tap on the three lines on the top right corner and tap on settings and privacy. Once you come to settings and privacy, you will find the option over your muted account in what you see option. Just simply tap on it, and then here it will show all of the account which you have muted for posts or stories or whatever. Now if you want to unmute them, just simply tap on unmute, or it will show you the three options. Now toggle off the option which you want, like in this way. That's how you can easily unmute someone on Instagram or mute the stories of someone on Instagram. So I hope it helps you guys, and I'll recommend you to check the latest video on the end screen. Thanks guys.